Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can automatically translate websites in Google Chrome. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to bring up and open the Google Chrome browser. So in the Windows search bar, type Chrome, click on it under the best match. Now this will appear the Google Chrome browser. So automatically translating websites, this is very important, especially if you don't understand the language and you want to translate it into your own language or the language that you really understand. So what we can do, we need to click on this three dots at the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Click on that. Simply scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, you have here languages. Click on it. Simply scroll down and you'll find Google Translate. When on, Google Translate will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. It can also automatically translate sites. So if this is switched off in your case, then you have to enable that, as this will automatically translate sites on the Google Chrome browser. Now you have here translate into this language. So I'm a Filipino and I want to translate this into Filipino. So I'm simply going to scroll down and click on Filipino. Automatically translate these languages. I can also click on add language and I'm going to choose English. So it's for the language that you really understand. Check this box, click on add. Now once done, we have to click on this plus sign symbol to open a new tab. Then I'm going to search for an info right here. So I'm going to type computer, hit enter. Then I'm just going to simply scroll down and then look for a website. So basically there are English words that I can't understand when it is in English, though especially those difficult English words, and I want to understand it into my own language. Then what I can do, so if you are feeling the same, like you are in a language that you cannot understand, or you can't, or there are some words that you can't understand and you want to translate it into the language that you prefer or you can understand more. So this is a website. Now make a right click at the open space and you'll find this option translate to. So earlier we have just made some changes in the Google Translate settings on the Google Chrome. So I've choose the preferred language, which is Filipino and which is my own language. So I want to simply click on translate to Filipino. Now this could be any language that you can understand. So if you can understand more in English, then this will appear right here, translate to English. Or if you can understand more it in French, then you can also find this here, translate to French or translate to German, translate to Dutch, translate to Spanish. So click on translate right here. And this will be translated into Filipino, which is really the language that I can understand. So when I'm going to read it, I can easily understand what it specifies or what is the information all about. And there is no problem with this now. So that's it. That's how you can automatically translate websites in Google Chrome. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.